Students, today I will discuss question number 9 to question number 15, few questions. First we take question number 10. Question number 10 is y is equal to x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. So, in this question, let a is equal to x to the power x cos x and b is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now your question is y is equal to a plus b. Differentiate both sides. So dy by dx is equal to dA by dx plus dB by dx. That is equation number 1. By the substitution, we differentiate a is equal to x to the power x cos x. Taking log both sides, log a is equal to log x to the power x cos x. By the property of log, log a is equal to x cos x log x. You see that at that step, you have the three functions. And the rule of the three functions, suppose that is a, b, c. Its differentiation is a, b, c, a dash plus a, b dash c plus a, b, c dash. Means dash means differentiate only that part. So, differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon a is the differentiation of log a and dA by dx. Differentiation of x is 1, other two is same. Plus x log x is same. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus x cos x is same. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So differentiation is complete. Now x is cancelled. Multiply a in this side, then dA by dx. That is equal to a cos x log x minus x sin x log x plus cos x. Now put the value of a, dA by dx, that is equal to x to the power x cos x log x minus x sin x log x plus cos x. So this is the differentiation of let a is equal to x to the power cos x. Now differentiate b is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. In this part, you see that the differentiation of this part by quotient rule. So differentiate with respect to x, dB by dx. Denominator as it is, d upon dx numerator minus numerator as it is, d upon dx denominator over denominator whole square. So that is equal to x square minus 1 into 2x minus x square plus 1 into 2x over x square minus 1 whole square. So 2x is common and x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 over x square minus 1 whole square. This x square is cancelled. So minus 4x over x square minus 1 whole square, that is dB by dx. Put these two values dA by dx and dB by dx in equation number 1. So our answer is dy by dx is x to the power x cos x log x minus x sin x log x plus cos x, that is the value of dA by dx, minus 4x over x square minus 1 whole square, that is our answer of this question. So this is the first type. Already I am discussed this type in previous lecture. Now the second exercise, second type. Second type is question number 12 to 15. And question number 12 to 15, I am taking your question number 13. Question number 13 is y to the power x is equal to x to the power y. That is question number 13. So, again you see that variable to the power variable is given, but both are in the form of equal sign. Now taking log both sides. Log y to the power x is equal to log x to the power y. Now by the property of log x log y, y log x. So differentiate with respect to x. Then in this side, that is the product rule, again that side is product rule. So first, as it is, differentiation of log y with respect to x, 1 upon y and dy by dx, plus log y as it is, differentiation of x is 1, that is equal to y as it is, differentiation of log x, 1 upon x, plus log x as it is, differentiation of y is dy by dx. You see that differentiation is complete. Now we collect dy by dx in one side. This is dy by dx and this is dy by dx. Take one side and other value in other side. So dy by dx x upon y minus log x, that is equal to y upon x minus log y. Take LCM dy by dx, x minus y log x over y, that is equal to y minus x log y over x, and dy by dx, that is equal to y minus x log x over x minus y log x into y upon x. So that is the second type of this exercise, and process is this, and that is your final answer. And the third type of this exercise, I am taking your question number 15, and question number 15 is xy is equal to e to the power x minus y. Again you see that these two function is in product, and that is e to the power. Again xy are the variable. Taking log both sides, log xy is equal to log e to the power x minus y. And you see that we are solving all the problems